want to explain how you make a simple bow. Very nice bow. It's very simple to do. As you can see, I have rice of bows on the floor. Bows are so easy to do. And you can see I have one face leather lining here to do with this page. I'm going to be mixing it with wine, to bring out the lovely color. And okay, let's keep going. So simple thing, what we do is we carefully place this odd on odd on each other. Very simple. Okay, now we just have our scissors and we'll make a kind of nice leaf shape. Remember, nice leaf shape. Something like this. Like this. You can easily bend this, twist it down. Something like this. So let's make this place a little bit smaller as we have this place smaller. I'm so sorry. I'm not having that on my this thing. Everybody were requesting for bow. So here's an half part of the bow. Something like this. So you can make it bigger, you can also make it smaller. So the next thing we do from here now is you can easily have this as mirrored. Have this as mirrored like this. Okay. Look at this side, this way is like almost the same size with this side. So what we need to do now is we can usually put our glue here. Have this glued up. And then the next thing we do is we bring this end to this end. We glue this side too. Like that. You can also glue this other end to like this. So now the next thing we do from that end is, as you can see, our bow is forming. Our bow is forming a little bit. This is the back side. There's the front side. So we will be mixing it with the wine, with one face wine. But before that, we need to make our tail. Let's put the tail. You can actually use it like this. You can use it like this. As we have something like this, you can use it like this. This one hasn't been wrapped to keep all these debris. Something like this, yeah. You can use it like this directly. So, okay, let's make our leg. Our leg most times is quite easy. Just make a kind of V shape on this end, V shape, not V shape. After this V shape is achieved, you can easily cut that off, and you can make this up a little bit. It's too long. I have this like this. Yeah, we have good one here. So we mirror this on this. Remember, right and right, left and left. You can easily cut this stage quite long. So most times you can make the tail to suit what you want. You can make it bigger, smaller, as you so wish. So this is coming here. Something like this. It's coming like this. So we have this middle one. You can actually keep this middle side debris nice by cutting a straight rectangular part like this, just to keep the middle. Something like this. Then we can place our glue. So we glue this other end as we have done earlier, just like that. Wow, our glue is getting finishing literally. So like this. Okay, then we can actually cut this excess end part behind up like that. So you can place this. Okay, fix these tail together. Necessary. Oh yeah. Oh god, it's going to finish it. Okay, you can fix this like this. Also put our glue here. Okay, and you can bring this to this, and hold it firm, and we are good to go. The next thing you can just do is make it nice. You can put these blinks at the middle, like that, at the middle. So we have our bow. Our bow is finished. So in putting, if you want to, maybe you make your magneting and you want to close the debris behind, or instead of you buying logos, you can actually make a cool bow like this to it. Just bow. You can make it bigger, you can make it smaller. You can make any owl shape you want. You can make this hair bigger, smaller. So you have your good bow there. Thank you so much. You are welcome.